Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be looking at sharks. So let's begin. Sharks are one of the oldest animals and creatures on Earth. They have been around for 400 million years, which is even before the dinosaurs came. Most sharks have around 40 to 45 teeth, which is quite a lot. And they also break and grow their teeth pretty quickly. Did you know that sharks don't have any bones? Sharks have a great eyesight and can sense their prey through their heartbeat. These are the two types of ways they hunt their prey: with their good eyesight and by sensing them with their heartbeat. There are many different types of shark species. There are over 500 shark species. So there are 500 species of sharks. Over 500. Most sharks are cold-blooded animals because they need to survive in the temperatures in the ocean. Down in the ocean, the temperatures are pretty low. A shark's skin feels like sandpaper. Here are some other fun facts about sharks. Sharks have a sixth sense. Each whale shark's spot pattern is a unique fingerprint. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.